Hey everybody, Mike here. Welcome to the channel. Today we are modeling a shoe, right? Now, I got this foot online. It's just a free model, but you can basically use any model you can find online as long as it has feet, right? Okay, let's get started. So we're going to start off with a polygon cube, and I'm going to hit R to scale it, like so. We're going to hit W, we're going to move it over here. Then we're going to jump to this view. We're going to go up until the bottom part is, I would say, pretty much in line with where we need to be. Yeah. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to vertex mode. We're going to select this, push that down to about here. And then we're going to grab this, push that up, push that up. There you go. And we're going to do that in sections. So we're going to go down here and move that down, and you kind of get the idea, right? What we're going to do next is we're going to go in here, and of course we don't need this face right here. Delete it. We're going to right click, go to edge, double click on this guy, Control E to extrude, W to pull out, and we're going to try and keep these sections fairly even, like so. Control E to extrude, pull it out to about here. G to repeat, G to repeat, G to repeat, G once again, and once again. There you have it. Then we're going to right click at our vertex. We're going to drag select these. Make sure you don't click, make sure you drag select. And now we can start to play with these a little bit. And of course we're going to tweak all that, no worries. And then down here, and it looks like I missed the vertices in the back here, as you can see, right? So let me just get that sorted. It can happen. All right, so I accidentally copied that, looks like, in the beginning, but that's not a big deal. There you go, right. Okay, so we have that. Now we're going to go to the bottom, and we're kind of going to do the same. We're going to raise that up a little bit just to shape the shoe, if you will. Then we're going to raise this up, raise it up some more, raise that up. And we're going to push that one down a little bit. That one's going to come in and go up to about here. That one's going to go, I would say, to about there. And then we need to go in here, excuse me, go to edge, double click once again, Control E to extrude, W to pull out, like this. All right, and then we're going to hit enter. We're going to go to fill hole. So that's now closed, which is good. And then we're going to tweak that as well. So we're going to right click, go to vertex, drag select. Let's put that, I would say, up here. We'll put that one down here. And that would be about right for now. Alrighty. Doesn't look like much, but we'll get there. Yep. Let's hit 3 to preview smooth. All right, and hit 1 to go back. Now we're going to do the same thing from the top here. So we're going to go in. All right, we're going to right click, go to vertex. Let's drag select all of these. And we're basically going to bring it into about there. And then hit W and kind of center that. Let's hit R again. Bring it in, and again, kind of center that. And you can center it first if you think that's easier, that's fine. Keep on going. Scale it out a little bit. Move it over. Scale it out a bit. Same here. And then this one. All right, let's see what we got so far. All right, so rough shape, we're starting to get there. Let's go in here to the top. Let's select these three faces. We don't need them. Delete them like so. We're going to go to object mode. We're going to hit 3 to preview smooth. Starting to get a bit closer there. Hit 1 to go back. And now we're going to start to add some detail, right? So first what we're going to do is jump in here. We're going to go to insert edge loop. Set it to manual. Let's put that in here. That would be about right, I would say. That's good. Q on the keyboard, we're going to go to face, click and shift, double click, Control E to extrude. Let's do 0.1, which should be fine. All right. Quick preview smooth, hit 3. That's right. Then we're going to go in here and we're going to go to that back section, which is going to be this and this and this. And then this in the front. We're going to do the same on the other ends. Yeah. We've got all that. Control E again to extrude. 0.2, 0.1, 0.1 should be fine. Let's have a look here. Let's go in. 3. Yeah, starting to get there. All right, hit 1 to go back. We're going to go in here and we're going to right click, go to edge. Double click on this guy all the way around. Bevel. 0.1. Hit 3 to preview smooth again. Nice crisp line there. Hit 1 to go back. We're going to do the same at the bottom. Insert edge loop. We'll do one right in there, like so. And let's see, we'll do insert edge loop again. We'll do, actually we'll not do insert edge loop again. We'll go in here and take these two, hit R, and slightly, no, that's not gonna work. I thought it might be an issue, maybe, let's see. Let's hit 3. That's actually not bad. All right, so now let's hit 1 and go back. We're going to go to the top here. I'm going to start to bring in these vertices. So we're going to right click, go to vertex. And now we're not drag selecting, but clicking. Okay, let's see how far we can go in. All right, let's hit 3 again. Starting to get closer. Let's look at the overall height here. All right, cool. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna go to insert edge loop, and we'll do multiple and 3, and then we'll put them in right there, like so. And see if there's anything we need to tweak, and I'm sure there will be. We'll take this guy. Nope. And we're gonna start to push that in. That will just help us to get a more defined shape, if you will. Right. Then we're going to go to insert edge loop. We're going to go in here. And actually, what we're going to do next is we are going to, let me think for a second. Let me do a preview smooth. Want to go back. Yeah, we need to tweak the back there, of course. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here to edge, just like this guy, hit R and push that in quite a bit. Then we're going to go to vertex. We're going to go in here, we're going to drag select these. Looks a lot better. A whole lot better. All right. Okay. You want to go back, and next up what we're going to do is we are going to go to the top here, and let me see, we're going to insert edge loop. Let's go to multiple and 2, put them in right there. And of course they're going to be a bit distorted. I'm just thinking if there's an easier way to do this. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to smooth it out first. Mesh and smooth. That looks pretty good. And at this point we can get rid of our foot here, all right, and start to tweak that shape a little bit. So up on the edge here, we need to address that. So we're going to go into vertex, take this guy, we're going to bring it down and forward. Take these two. Right, and then those look okay. This is coming in a bit. That looks all right. These are coming down a little bit. Overall shape is starting to look better. All right, let's have a look. All right, not too bad. Still quite high, I would say. So what I'm going to do there is I'm going to go to face, and let me use the tab key instead. This will be sorted in a second. Take that one. Right, now that looks a lot better. Then enter edge loop, manual, set it to 1. Q on the keyboard, go to face. All right, that's that. We're gonna hit Control E to extrude. 0.1 should be good. Let's do a preview smooth. Let's hit 3. Getting there. Yep. Hit 1 to go back. Enter the edge loop. Let's go in here. And do that. And that. Hit 3. So there you have it. All right. Okay, what else? Let's see. Yeah, it's supposed to be a very basic shoe, but maybe we can tweak it just a tiny bit, right? It's almost like a slipper a little bit, I would say, right? So we'll take this, we'll hit the B on our keyboard. And let's see if I can tweak that a little bit. We're gonna hit E. And very, very slightly, we're gonna move that here as well. take this. All right, and then that's fine, and then yeah, I would say we're getting there, right? Now I do want to lower this whole section here because it looks like the model that I use, that free model, is a bit off as far as anatomy is concerned. So I'm going to hit B for soft select, hit R, and kind of make it a bit more flat. We're going to go to object mode. Let's go in here and slightly rotate that like so. And there you have a very, very basic shoe or slipper or whatever you want to call it, right? Now, I would say if you wanted to look a little bit more sporty, you would take this section right here. So this and this, right? Hit B again, and then kind of hit R and make it a bit narrower, if you know what I mean, right? But that's tweaking. So this is the basic concept of how to create a shoe, and yeah, turn it into whatever you like, right? Just gonna keep on tweaking it a little bit, and I'll see you guys in the next one.